Merient Infotech is a leading IT training institute and computer coaching center in Rohtak. We offer PHP training course in Rohtak. This course covers PHP, MySQL, WordPress and basic of HTML and CSS that is used for website development. Merient Infotech provides Python training course. Currently, Python is one of the fastest growing programming languages in the world. It is used for general purpose, web development and data science. We also offer digital marketing training course. This includes search engine optimization, search engine marketing and social media marketing. If you want to learn website designing, we provide HTML and CSS training course as well. You can learn how to create a website for your own hobby or business as well. Each of our course includes special sessions on job assistance. We have a number of projects where students can contribute to get live project exposure. We deliver online study material via tutorialsclass.com. This is one of the top ranked websites for PHP exercise and interview questions. We have experienced trainers that focus on quality trainings in an affordable fees. We are top ranked on Google for various IT training courses in the city. You can visit us at HUDA complex opposite Citi Cinema, Rohtak or call us 70567 70300.